Hey guys, we've had a few customers ask about how our base plates install and how they retain with the floor plates. So I'm just gonna quickly go over how to take your old stock base plate off of your Micro Dagger magazine and then install one of our custom machine concepts aluminum base plates. So what you're gonna need like a little punch, an Allen wrench, anything that will fit in here to push your floor plate out of the way. So you're just gonna take that punch, depress where the PSA logo is here. You're just gonna push that. While pushing that, you're gonna slide that forward. Make sure your thumb is holding that floor plate from shooting out because it will shoot out with the spring tension. Take the old one out, old plastic one, then grab one of your new ones, your new CM Concept base plates, and then just slide her on. You'll hear a click. Gonna wanna make sure it's locked in there, but you should be good to go. Also, I've had a couple people ask about how these floor plates lock into our base plate. See that we have that little rectangle there, and then you see the PSA logo. That will just lock in there nice and tight. That ensures nothing is gonna pop out, keeps your spring in place and keeps your base plate from coming off. If you guys have any more questions or have any concerns, just drop us an email, drop us a comment, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.